Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And yes, indeed, I finally went ahead and ordered the Google Pixel 2 XL. I am actually filming with the Pixel XL, which I've been happy with. Battery, as I've used it, seems to just be okay, but I've been very happy as compared to what I had with the Google Nexus 6P phone. Boy, that was quite a issue for so many people. So really looking forward to this phone. I've heard so many great things about it. I was hesitant for a while because I was hearing about the blue tint issue, but it seems that issue kind of resolved itself somewhat. But my friend who got the phone says he sometimes can see it, but we'll make it work. Most importantly, because I love taking photos, and also I shoot my videos with the phone. This is going to be my new phone for shooting my videos, so looking forward to that. I did order the 64 gig versus 128. The 128 was on my phone. I never even filled up 64 gigs on my phone, so I figured save the money. I went with the 64 rather than the 128, and also got the extended warranty for that peace of mind. And Google has, believe me, it's well worth the extra money to have that as well. And then I also have ready to go some additional accessories. I'll put links to these. I got this screen protector, which got really, really good reviews. I've been using the speaking cases for the last two phones, been very happy. I got the Slim and Soft, the clear, and then also the air cushion technology, so got that. And also I was very curious to try this out. Although there's no headset jack, you can with the adapter piece, I believe that's in there. So we got this mic as well, and I'm looking forward to testing it out. But we'll go ahead and do the open boxing and getting set up. Now, one thing that I'm going to do, and you may just go ahead and when you install it, just say install is the same as last phone. I'm going to do a clean installation, because one of the things that I found, and let me know if this has been an issue for you or not, but I've found when I had to get a replacement phone, or even with the Pixel phone, the Pixel XL phone, some of my contacts were linking with each other. I don't know why. It seems to be an issue with Google and Gmail. I'll let them know, but I'd be curious if that's been an issue for you. But I'm going to go ahead and do a clean installation. It's going to take longer this way, but I also can avoid putting on apps that I really don't need. So we'll see. But let's go ahead and get this opened up, and looking forward to just sharing with you my experience. So Google seems to really have stepped up well for what they've put together here, and the reviews have, for the most part, have been excellent. So there we go. Let's check it out. Nice. I went with the panda color, so very excited about that. And I really love the screen. I was checking out my friend's phone, and I love, you're really getting the full screen on this, so very, very cool. And I like the orange button. It's just so weird not to have a headset jack, but all is good. And let's see, next. Let's go ahead and open this out up next, and then in here is some instructions, some information. Oh, that's good. It's got the pin, which I've wanted for my SIM card, so I'll be able to use that. That will come in handy to have later on in case I ever need to use that again. And then got some other information here, a reference guide it looks like, so got that. Next up, you've got the USB to Type-C connector there. And let's see what's next. All right. Then we got the Type-C cable. Here is the headset jack connector. So that's actually not too bad. I thought it was going to be a little bit longer. Some people said it was too long, but I don't think that's too bad. And let's just see how that looks there on the bottom. There you go. So not too bad. And then this way I can use the Rode microphone there, and then I could this is dangle, so perfect there. So luckily I use my Bluetooth, I use the Apple AirPods, and they work fantastic. And last but not least, we've got the power adapter. So that's pretty much it. Now it's time to have fun. It's going to take a while to put all the apps on, but I'll be really, really glad that I did, and looking forward to sharing with you my thoughts, taking some photos and videos and the whole experience, and really excited. I think this Slimin soft case is what I want to really use. It's clear, but I dropped my phone and I'm worried that I'm going to crack the screen, but we'll see. Anyway, leave your thoughts of, how you like the phone thus far. And again, if you're having that issue as I've had with contacts and linking together, it's kind of weird. And then what you have to do is, like, I'll type a name and I'll see it's someone else's name. So I'll go in and hit the menu option, and then I could see the two contacts and I can unlink it, but we'll see. But all right, everybody, thanks so much. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video, and looking forward to using the phone. Take care.